Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doogee S98. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. After that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on Doogee and Send on an Android. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on Doogee, you need to choose No Thanks and close this window. Now finally we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Doogee, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!